guys, today we are going to be looking at a small tic-tac-toe game that we have set in place at Ngahtech group. So this is the code. So this code, the small HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code that can permit you to create this beautiful game that you have here. Now, when the game load or when a user click on the game, it gives them the opportunity to add their names. Then you can add two players, okay, the first and the second, and then they start the game. Now, when they start the game, the music starts playing. As you can see, you can set to stop the music and or okay, maybe they continue and they will start. The player A can start. The scene here indicates who is next, okay. Then player B, players A again, B, A,
Gabby wins. Congratulations.
voila. So it now indicate it has who have won, and you can play again. Okay. So if you are
Ngahtech wins. Congratulations.
So it's that before one click,
Ngahtech wins. Congratulations.
So in that case, we already have three options.
Gabby wins.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
On our next video, please comment, share, and like this video. Let's move all together and grow together. Thank you very much. See you soon.